So if you have students who tried using the invite code, but it says that they're already a part of your class, however you don't see them in your first period, what you want to do is go to My Class, Actions, Manage Class, click on Students, and then you need to find the class period that you know that student's in. So if you know that that student's in your third period math class, go to your third period math class. That's probably where they've been added to you. And then find that student and check their name and click Add to Class. And then find your first period PLC class, which you're not going to have all of these names. But of course, in all of this, I can't find mine. There we go. And then click Apply Changes, and then you'll see next to the student name, now they're in both of those classes. So when you go to look at your class profile or your the drop-down menu for your class to see your class cards, that student will be in both of those sections. So that's my 0 period. And now Tom Brady should also be, yep, right there in my first period.